If your restaurant is still using a basic phone line, you're probably missing reservations, takeout orders, and customer inquiries during your busiest hours. The good news? Getting a professional business phone system for your restaurant is easier and more affordable than you think. And today, we're going to show you exactly how to do it using Calilio. Step 1. Invite your team. Head to calilio.com and create your account. If you face any issues or feel confused during the sign-up process, simply click the I button and watch the video, How to Sign Up for Calilio. After sign-up, the first step is to purchase a phone number as per your requirements. Then, invite team members or staff via email. Repeat this process to add your full staff. Step 2. Create teams and assign numbers. Organize staff into departments like front desk, kitchen, and delivery. Assign your business number to individuals or specific teams. You can also buy multiple numbers for different teams using the same process. Step 3. Set up IVR. Go to Settings in Calilio and enable IVR. Create a menu like press 1 for front desk, 2 for kitchen, 3 for delivery, and route each option to the correct team. This ensures customers reach the right place instantly. Step 4. Configure smart features. Set business hours so calls are handled only when staff are available. Enable call forwarding to avoid missed calls, power dialer for faster outreach, and call recording plus call summaries to improve service quality. Set up other essential features according to business needs. Step 5. Use AI analytics and insights. Access AI call analytics like total calls, call history, recordings, most used words, and AI call summaries. These insights help you understand customers better, track performance of your staff, and identify potential leads. Step 6. Test before going live. Before launch, do a quick test. Call your number, check IVR greetings, voicemail, and business hours. Test on mobile, desktop, tablet, or laptop, any device your team will use. Step 7. Train your team. Show your staff how to answer calls, transfer customers, and check voicemail to email during busy hours. If you face any issues during setup, the Calilio support team is available 24/7 to help you. Click the link in the description to get started today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.